Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon for all my beloved friends that have joined yesterday in the first day session of webinar. Nowadays, I would like to summarize about my first day session in a webinar yesterday that I've joined. In this day, I will give you uh, summarize about principle of students engagement in a virtual classroom. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi said that be the change you want to change the world. It means that the learning happen by what the learner does, not by what teacher does. So the students have important power in these quotes. Not only one way, not only two ways. The point is learning by doing. So students should uh, learning by doing. And from the instance, according learning is experience. Everything else is just information. Same with Mahatma Gandhi said, learning by doing. It can reflecting what we did. So we should give the students the real condition, the real way, so that they know what we mean. Okay, and then uh, in a new era, because of the pandemic, we should uh, teach our students by virtual. Okay, so learning is changed in three levels: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. Doing action, I mean. Okay, and then we should thinking, feeling, and doing. Not only thinking, but we should feeling and doing something to the students, so that students know uh, the material we give, so that student know what they should do after they get the material, something like that. And then in a learning skill, there are 3 points. The first one is acquire component skills. It means that know the words. And then second one, acquire components, and second one is know when to apply skills. So that there are many methods, I think, to teach English, to teach English material, I mean. But there is I mean not all of the method can we apply to the students, so that we are as an English teacher should know what the appropriate method that's suitable with our students. And then about the context and about the context and content, yeah. This is the second important thing also. From the content and context, we get we can take the learners from known to unknown. Okay, so the content and context, it's the second important thing, because we can take the learners from known to unknown. So next is the communication cycle. Communication cycle is from the sender, encodes giving message to the Receiver is students. Okay, sender is we are as English teacher. Receiver is students. So communication cycle is a next important thing to learning. And then we can give material for the students based on face-to-face, online, something like we can use Zoom, something like that. And then the point is what the message that we deliver can uh, receive by the students. So using what you can use as an English teacher. Okay, any effective communication has it has three basic components. Yeah, 3V: vocal, visual, and verbal. Okay, we try to talk about one by one. Vocal is a voice, modulations, emotion, a pitch, and speech or energy. So the first things that when we deliver or we teach the students, we should give good vocal, emotion, pitch. You should control your pitch. Yeah. And then second one is visual. Visual is eye contact, gesture, posture, gait, and facial expression. So when we teach teacher by Zoom, for example, eye contact to the student, gesture, posture, facial expression. When we teach, not only show sad, something like that, flat, something like that, can make your student bored. Okay, and then the third one is verbal, language or vocabulary. You should use clear language and many vocabulary so that your student understand what you said. Okay, I think enough for my summarize. I hope that the committee can understand what I mean. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.